the a7IV features a crop mode, which allows you to put APS-C lenses on the full frame a7IV. And I was able to do this, and I went out and shot and barely saw any vignetting in the crop mode of the a7IV, which makes the a7IV even more desirable camera. Normally, when I compare an APS-C camera and a full frame camera, I would recommend going with the APS-C camera if you're on a budget for lenses, because APS-C lenses are a lot cheaper. But the a7IV pretty much takes that variable out of the equation. Now, if you use a full frame lens on the APS-C FX30, you do have to multiply the focal length by 1.5. So if you're shooting with a 50mm lens, that's really the equivalent of 75mm. But another thing people sometimes forget about is you also have to multiply the aperture by 1.5. So if you're shooting on a lens that's f2.0, it becomes f3.5 at its lowest aperture once you throw the full frame lens on the APS-C. But before we get any further, I want to thank today's sponsor, Brevity, for sending me out a backpack and having me test it out